Seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
I didn't want to wake you, but we're about to leave orbit, so I just wanted to say I miss you already.
Caution. After shields opening.
I wish I had the words to describe it all to you, but honestly, it still takes my breath away every time we open the shields.
Copy T-blind flush on H1, brake torque less than 1 turn.
Today, I was so glad you didn't pass on your fear of heights.
Thank you for choosing the Robinson Space Elevator. 12 minutes to surface.
We got stuck at the port for a couple hours, so I got to see the sunset on Mars. And I hope you saw the same one. We reached the outer settlements today. You'd think it'd be dark and cold, but they filled it with so much life. We've got people surviving on the surface of Europa and in the atmosphere on Titan. Oh, and I kept my promise. No base jumping on Miranda. I told them my mom would kill me. We'll be on Saturn for a while, but I don't think I'll ever get tired of staring at the ring shine. I just wish you could see it too.